Okay, I'm gonna try to narrate, but I don't know what I'm doing or saying. Anyway, David, you've been using leverage, right? This is the cabinet.
Yep.
So he actually needed my help, which is scary and disturbing, to get the cabinet up. And what did you put behind it? What'd you end up doing?
What do you mean?
You added to the back?
Well, yeah, I wanted this to be further out towards the closer to the front of the fridge. I didn't want it pushed back so far, so I put a box back there that I built to put the cabinet back up against so that it sticks out 6 inches more than it would have.
Okay.
So that's what that is.
And then you've already added on the side.
The filler pieces.
Okay.
To finish everything off. And then on this side will be the big panel that goes all the way to the floor.
That's in there.
And then next to the big panel will be the dishwasher. So
Okay.
there's a panel that comes up here to
Which is-
finish off the sink.
Right there.
And
Okay.
then there's a dishwasher, and then there's a panel and a big panel.
Okay, so what do you still need to do to this thing?
I need to get 2 more screws in, the studs to hold it in, and then that is basically done. I mean, we have whatever caulk or whatever we want to do on the corners to finish it out, but other than that, it's ready to roll.
Okay, and I don't know, did we get the microwave, wasn't it? Was it?
I don't know.
No, I don't think we did that. Tell them about the adventures with the microwave, how that went.
Well, it was a fiasco because the template was off for the plug hole and for the holes that go through the top of the cabinet to hold the microwave in place. We used their template, we used their measurements, they said use 10 inches from the back wall, and we double checked the measurements and everything, and no, it was 11 3/4 inches, I think, from the back wall. And so I don't know what they were thinking with their instructions, but lesson learned is measure for myself, because they were all screwed up.
But the microwave is now up. It took how many tries before it was finally, but it's up and it's working, which is awesome. And then you can kind of see some of the other stuff that you have in right now. And then we're gonna move the fridge,
Fridge is going in tonight, right here.
which is very exciting.
Right here, the fridge is going in.
And then what goes next? What are you gonna do next?
After what?
After you're gonna do the
I'm going to do the panel.
panel, yeah?
And then I'll do the panels, and then I've got on the sides, and then I've got all the doors and all that stuff to put on, but I've got to get the plumbing and the electrical done underneath the sink.
Oh, but this is it for the cabinets. We're not putting any more up, so this.
These are the last cabinets.
This is
Everything
it.
else is finished trim,
Yeah.
moldings, that kind of stuff.
Yep.
Doors.
Yep. Okay.
This is the last cabinet to place, and it's up. So the hard part's over.
We hope.
Then we
Okay.
get to do countertops. Those will be fun.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Anything else? Just end it here.
I think that's it.
Okay.
Sour Patch Kids. Power pills.